Good morning, children. Sorry. Today we'll discuss chapter number 7, Computer Ethics, Crime and Security as a revision. So, here, computer ethics, crime and security. Computer ethics means rules. Rules means that you have to know about what is right and what is wrong. And computer crime, nowadays you are knowing computer crimes are very in high position, that hacking, cracking, this or the. And security also, if you are having any means computer or any means phone, that you want the security, or that you keep the security as a privacy form, that you need a security. So come to the introduction. Computers are used nowadays almost in all fields, that you are knowing in all the fields we are using computers, and this is known as the age of computer age. Computers are used in education, business, manufacturing, designing, entertainment, research, and development. In all the fields, we are using a computer, and it is one of the greatest invention of our time. But as some great inventions are used by bad people to cause harm, similarly, computers can be used to cause harm also. So nowadays, some people's means the all the peoples are knowing how to handle the computer and how to do the work in computer. So all the peoples are having the knowledge about it, and some bad people, they want to cause harm of computer, or they want to do cracking and hacking. This all they want to do. Bad peoples, they are now they are similarly, they can also use the computer to harm, cause harm. Computer ethics, then you must be aware certain ethics related to the use of computers. Ethics are beliefs and rules, and these rules state that what is right and what is wrong. So ethics are important in our day to day life also. So in our life we have to follow the ethics. Ethic means in every field we have to follow about the ethics, and that rule you have to know, that by using anything you have to know about that what is right and what is wrong by using that particular thing. The advantages of technology make it possible for unethical and criminal activities to be carried out in a more sophisticated way. Children should thus be aware of moral and ethical issues and must develop a good sense of social responsibilities. So nowadays, advanced technology make it possible all the crime activities, unethical way to carry it out more sophisticated way, means they are knowing how to use that, how to use break the rules, means how to use all the things in unethical way. And the children thus may be aware and moral of ethical issue and must develop good sense of social responsibilities. Means nowadays we have to explain or teach our children how to use ethics in their life. And they are always people who are violating the rules for society, money, and sometimes just for fun. Means those who are those who person are unethical, means they are unethical and having the criminal activities. They sometimes they were doing their work for money, and sometimes they were doing their means using the unethical way just for fun also. So let us discuss more some of the more major ethical issue in the world of computer nowadays. That means first one is intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights means it is our own property. Property, anything you own, you have the rights to your property. It is protected by law. Means suppose that you got your bike, and this bike is for you only. That your parents brought buy a bike for you, and this bike is for you only. So it is your bike, and it is your own property, means it's your own intellectual property rights, and it is your rights. It is protected by law also, and it is your rights. Suppose someone asks for a key of your bike, and if you want to give the key, then you will give, and if you don't want, then you will you don't give. Means it is upon you only to give the key of your bike or not. Similarly, ideas and thoughts produced by mind are protected by law. It is illegal to use them without the permission of the owner of the or producer. Suppose someone's idea you had copied, and given to another firm, so it is a unethical way, because that someone's intellectual property you are using as illegal way. The rights related to literary or artistic work, invention, and discoveries, these are called as intellectual property rights. Then come to the copyright. We must have seen the symbol. This symbol is widely used. It means all right reserved, and the symbol materials to be sold property by the owner means copyright. It is sold that it is sold property by the owner, and it is unlawful and unethical to sold this without the permission of the owner. If materials is downloaded and used, you must acknowledge, means without the acknowledge of authority, you had downloaded the software, then it is means downloaded and used, and you must acknowledge, means you must acknowledge means you had given the taken the permission to downloading, so it is known as the referencing. Then software piracy. So next class we'll discuss the software piracy. Thank you.